What if, with a single flick of a switch in your brain, you could hear everything? Not just the bird outside your window or the hum of your computer, but the secret, silent symphony of the world around you.
Today, we're hitting the ultimate universal mute button and listening to the full, unfiltered spectrum of sound all at once. We're talking every frequency, from the lowest rumble to the highest squeak, all flooding into your ears simultaneously.
First, let's talk about what every frequency even means. Sound is just vibrations in the air, and we humans are locked into a pretty limited club. We can only hear vibrations between about 20 hertz, that's a deep rumbling bass note, and 20,000 hertz, which is a super high-pitched whine only kids and teenagers can usually hear. But the universe is so much noisier than that. Below our hearing range, you have infrasound. These are the super low frequencies produced by earthquakes, volcanoes, and even elephants using them to chat across miles of savanna. Above our range is ultrasound, the domain of dog whistles, dolphin clicks, and the medical scanners that let us see babies before they're born. So, what happens when you flick that mental switch and open the floodgates? At first, you'd feel the world before you hear it. Those deep, infrasonic waves from a passing truck would no longer be silent. You'd feel them as a physical pressure in your chest, a disorienting, gut-churning shudder. You'd be able to hear the weather, as massive storm systems generate low-frequency waves that would make the sky itself sound like a distant, angry giant.
Then the high end kicks in. Suddenly, you're hearing the secret lives of electronics. Your phone is screaming a constant, high-pitched data stream. The Wi-Fi router is chattering like a hyper-caffeinated squirrel. You'd hear the echolocation clicks of a bat hunting outside as a rapid-fire series of tiny, precise clicks painting a sonic picture of the world in your mind.
And then you'd hear yourself. Your own body becomes a non-stop rock concert. You'd hear the deep rhythmic thump-thump of your heart, not just in your chest, but vibrating through your skull. The rush of blood through your arteries would sound like a constant waterfall inside your head. You'd hear the grinding of your jaw when you chew, the subtle creak of your muscles when you move. It would be the world's most inconvenient and distracting biofeedback machine. But here's the climax, the big, shocking result of this experiment. It wouldn't just be overwhelming, it would be nothing. Because every frequency at once has a name in physics: white noise. It's what you get when you play every single pitch the universe can produce with equal intensity. And to our brains, true white noise isn't a symphony, it's a featureless, flat wall of sound. It's the audio equivalent of every color of light mixed together to make white, or every color of paint mixed together to make a muddy brown.
Your brain, an incredible machine built to pick out patterns, a predator's snap of a twig, a baby's cry, would have absolutely nothing to latch onto. There would be no melody, no rhythm, no discernible sound at all, just a crushing, monotonous roar that would effectively be the same as total deafness. The ultimate paradox: hearing everything means hearing nothing at all.
So, the next time you're sitting in a quiet room, appreciate the silence. Because true silence is a rare and beautiful thing. And the alternative isn't a superpower. It's a sensory void, where the universe's greatest hits album just sounds like static. If your brain could process this sonic chaos, what do you think would be the weirdest thing to hear? The grinding of tectonic plates? The faint hum of the sun? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this thought experiment, hit that subscribe button for more mind-bending what-ifs. We'll see you in the next video.